What inspired me to become an attorney was the desire to help people and to do purposeful work. I was actually involved in an auto accident as a kid, and my parents didn't have representation during that process. And I remember that, and it made me want to become a lawyer so that I could help other people in a similar situation. The atmosphere at Farah and Farah, there's so many years of experience here, and then it's also such a good environment in the workplace where my team, what we do is we're continually staying organized, we're staying on top of deadlines, we're being aggressive, we're not simply reactive, but we're starting at the end and working backwards so that we're a step ahead of the competition, the big insurance companies. And we also really bring the client and the client's personal life and their family and their injuries and the impact of the case to light to these defense attorneys and to the insurance companies so that they understand that they're dealing with a real person and not just a number on one of their spreadsheets. But the key is really to think with the end in mind and work backwards so that we're a step ahead of the competition, and then explain that whole process to the client so that can have they can feel supported and be comfortable in their decision when they hired Fair and Fair. And the nature of the insurance company is to pay out less money. That's their job. Our job is to professionally manage a case in order to get the ammunition that substantiates what the client's value for compensation is. So our job is to manage the case properly and get all the ammunition, the medical records, the bills, the future medical costs, the correct experts, get the depositions taken, and have the ammunition to substantiate what we feel the client is entitled to be made whole for what happened. You should hire me because I'll go above and beyond to advocate for your interests, and I'm gonna be there when you want someone to talk to. It's common for lawyers to maybe there's a heavy caseload, or some lawyers don't put as much emphasis on client communications. For me, I'll treat you like a member of my own family. I'll be open, upfront, forthright, honest with you the entire way. I'll demystify the whole process for you so that you can have a level of certainty to understand what to expect and how the process is going to go. And I'll be there for you every step of the way and make sure you get all the resources that you need until the job is done and you get the compensation that you deserve.